taking you to the tech world. The wait is finally over for all you Apple fans in India, as the much anticipated iPhone 17 series is officially going on sale across the country today. The latest lineup includes the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Max, along with the debut of an all-new model, the iPhone Air, AirPods Pro 3 and the iWatch Series 11. Excitement has reached a fever pitch with thousands of customers lining up outside Apple's official retail stores in major cities like Mumbai and Delhi. Shoppers queued overnight in some locations to be among the first to get their hands on those cutting-edge devices. The pre-orders, which opened on September 12th, remember, saw massive demand, and in-store sales are expected to break previous launch day records. From upgraded performances and camera features to sleeker designs and lighter builds, the new lineup promises a fresh leap forward in Apple's smartphone evolution. So you can understand the excitement at this point, and in fact, to bring us a pulse of it from the ground, we have Vidya joining us from the Apple store in BKC, Mumbai. Vidya, very good morning to you. We could just get a sense of the kind of enthusiasm amongst all Apple users, as we could see queues that were there all night long and people just bursting into the stores right after the countdown.
Well, it certainly is. In fact, if I can just show you, this is the group of people who have come all the way from Gujarat. They are actually shopkeepers from Gujarat who have, immediately after taking iPhones, they put up their photos on their WhatsApp and to the customers and immediately, try to sell it, because right now the number of iPhones in the market, the iPhone 17 is very less, so certainly they will get the highest price. But this is the queue of people who are standing here after they have pre-booked their phones. Let's try speaking to some of the people here and ask, so what is it in iPhone 17 that really attracted you? Why did you decide to buy it?
That's a new model.
But is there something?
The new color, orange color.
The orange
and a look and a new look. And a battery backup is more than 16 Pro Max.
So, since when have you standing here?
Since yesterday night.
Yes.
Yesterday night.
And this is for yourself? Really?
Yeah, myself only.
Okay, you are an ardent iPhone user, I can see.
Do both, yeah.
So it's only the color that's really...
Color and the look is changed this time.
If I can ask a few more people. Sir, आप लोग अपने लिए खरीद रहे हैं? You're buying for yourself?
एक मिनट हाँ
You're buying the phone for yourself?
हाँ
That you really like?
मेरे लिए अच्छा है
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा?
उसका कलर अभी एक अलग अच्छा है जो ऑरेंज कलर है.
So certainly, either it's the color, the feature that's really attracted a lot of people, but this is the pre-booking line. But let me just show you the queue of people who have been waiting since yesterday, which is of people who have just decided on their own, not pre-booked, but decided to come here and get their hands on the new phone. And this is the queue of people. They are waiting here to make sure that they get their hands on. But immediately we saw, just the moment it went live at 8 o'clock, we did see the door being opened up. About 50 customers who were sent inside. And right now, as and when the customers are really coming out, more customers are getting to go in and get their hands onto the latest iPhones at the Apple Store here in Mumbai.
Absolutely, Vidya, and you very rightly mentioned as the customers themselves have to say it's the cutting edge technology and the colors and the new look that's being brought in by this very device this time. But you know, I would also want to understand what did this very store, because we've seen Apple stores oftentimes celebrating such launches almost like a festival. So what I would want to know a little more about the preparations that you witnessed in the very store. How did they end up welcoming their customers as they were just swinging open with the countdown that we just saw on our screens?
I've been speaking to a lot of people and they have been saying that, and remember earlier when the iPhone 16 Pro had also launched, at that time also we did come here and see the same kind of excitement earlier as well. So it seems like an annual feature now with the iPhone coming out with its latest phones, and the moment it hits the market, there is a whole long queue of people waiting overnight just to get their hands on the phone. But certainly right here we did see a lot of these people who come here. Elaborate arrangements are made, different queues are put up, wherein if there are pre-bookings done, which is almost months ago, a separate queue for them is made. For those who have suddenly decided to get their hands onto the phone, they have another queue for themselves. So there is a crowd management that certainly is happening, and they make sure that not too many people stay on the ground. Like if they've bought the phone, they should move out immediately out of the store. So they're trying to make sure that crowd management is done so that no untoward incident really happens here.
Right, Vidya, thank you for bringing us all those updates from the Apple store itself. And well, we will keep a watch as to how the day proceeds for these Apple fans as they get their hands on those devices right away at the store.